And then why most of times they always wanted, okay, to my performances, like my events that I
At the
attended.
time, yeah.
Why is Kata when befuna ukubeka lapha ekugcineni?
No, man, I got that vibe, man.
So they didn't want you to intimidate other people, you want to say?
Personally, I think I would make it hard for them. I'm a competitor, man.
Yeah.
I compete.
So ngcono abanye shembazama perform and then unobeke last, because if uyaqala abanye ngeke sabafuna ungena stage.
I was born saying I want to be the best at everything that I do.
I love that.
And even when I was crying, probably as a baby, I cried mostly nicer than other kids because I feel like I just wanted to be the best. I just want to be the best at anything that I do. Anything I put my hands on. I want to be the best boyfriend in the world.
Not a husband.
No, I'm just saying for the mere fact that I'm not married yet. But if I do have a girl, say for example, I want to be the best at anything that I do. You could say I want to be the best husband, but I'm not there yet.
Are you dating?
Nah, I'm not dating. I haven't been dating for 8 years.
1, 2, 3, 8.
They say it's impossible. I say, look at me, baby. What you trying to say?
Is dingo zakho?
Is it?
Sexually.
I'm celibate, man.
What?
Yeah.
But now there's this thing that was checked. Even I'm a professionals and I'm a
leave the professionals alone.
Nama expect they do say I'm a malentuzana. I'm pros and cons of not having sex.
Our ancestors used to wait until the right time. There was no wrong anything about anything.
But phela wena isitoksu tuke wasidla manje uyasazi sitaste kanjani mawusicabangile, how do you do it?
You think about something else.
8 years.
Yeah. We don't release, man.
You don't find people attractive out there.
I do.
You don't find them arousing or something.
Arousing.
Yeah? Arousing. Sorry, yes, that's what I meant.
I'm human.
Yeah.
But my spirit has just taken course. My body is not as important as it used to be. I've trained myself to get to this position.
8 years, go to click.
I had to.
Yo, I'm going to survive 8 months.
Personally, it's because getting myself in those situations really, personally, to engage in the Benzokjola personally. It was not because I wanted to. At the time, it was mostly of I'm at the age where I should have a girl, But really, I didn't need to.
I mean, we're living in a generation where women now are comfortable to approach men. How do you deal with that?
Let me tell you that. Let me tell you what's happening. I found out that within my purpose in life, my purpose is to clean my lineage vibe. We bad when it comes to females. We bad. I'm telling you, sis, you don't want me. You don't want me there. You don't want me in that position. Like our phone, we born a little. I'm like, you wouldn't like me. You would hate me.
I like the fact that you're not selfish, though.
Yeah. So I found out that most of the times, especially who are gifted, could be financially, could be gifted, whatever. The only downfall of an eye, it's always females. And I noticed that. And I said, I'm going to be different. I told you, I said, I want to be the best at everything I do. And one of the things I'm going to do is to make sure that if I live this lifetime, some things will be straightened out. Because it's on me. It's on my shoulders. I'm going to have to clean up the lineage. Because somehow, these things that I'm feeling about females, it's not because it's me. Somehow, it's been around the family vibe. And some others, and most of them, can't control the urge. But me, I am going to.
Some others later we about a rejecter live.
Ma'am, if I'm cleaning a lineage over here. Wow. This is my spiritual purpose in life. You must understand, sis. Sexuality is mostly energies. You might take the wrong energy. You might take bad vibes. All of a sudden into sahambi kahle. So who you really get yourself in contact with.
As they say, phela ukuthi uma siye ecansini rikopana kamikhuba ke mihuba or ke mukhuba.
And one thing I found out with me, because I always attend easy imfundiso zikababungane, sexuality is not a sin, but if done in the wrong way, it is a sin. And somehow siyazalwa ngisho, and your lineage esayidini lakho, they mostly are the ones who gonna say sifuna i-bloodline ethize. And most of the time i-bloodline lezayo akusiyona lebayifunayo, and you engage with the wrong bloodline and it becomes a sin.
Ngiyakuzwa. And bayasho yazi njengoba bengisasho ukuthi kuthiwa sihlangana ngeinkaba, kunomunye umuntu owake wenza umzekelo ukuthi njengoba uzalwa inkaba yakho igujelwa ekhaya, khetha wena ukuthi ubani lufuna umfake emagcekeni akini.
You understand? And now recently we found out that females you most ngama sponge, like you just take DNA. Izahlala DNA is much different emzimbeni wakho. And I might have a kid with you. Yes, it's my kid, but uthola umntana senemkhuba ngiunderstand.
Ngoba ngifunxa
Lesiphukuphukile lesinogibela phezulu kwefridge umbuzo ukuthi ufunani lapho, kanti sama nejini abathakade ehleli bona lapho umntana wenza imikhuba. So it's important. That's when now you find out why it was important for ukuthi ama kings kube nama virgins to take on the lineage to the further gates or whatever. Now you understand. Ukuthi ngeke baze bayothatha umuntu oseke negene manipulated. Abantu abadala, they were not stupid. They were spiritually gifted. That made them clever. So they were not clever, but they had wisdom, let's say. Because masikhuluma ngeclever, sikhuluma ngento zomhlaba. So I can steal from you. I'm clever because you didn't see it. But wisdom, you steal from him or you steal from them. One day, bazokuthathela. Yeah. So those kind of happen. These are the basics of African people. That's why you find with umuntu khona manje keep ispa umuntu bulu umuntu lapha and think iphelele lapho. It doesn't end there, sis. Ijele is not aphelele lapho. Ijele is ayiphelele lapho. There's something you have already tainted in your gene pool.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Sumoshile.
And kunalento kuthiwe ngengayizwa kuthiwe kuyichilo umfana make yali intombazana ngoba uyena oye kuyona, uye wamhlanganisa wena nawe bese uyamlahla. So isikhathi esiningi kuthiwa you rather do izinto ezwrong so that mina ebeyimi ngikulahlayo. Is it that because of we are Africans and you the one ohambe wayesibayeni sasekhaya?
Seshamkele repeat futhi leyo ngizokwazi ukuphendula into ekuyona.
But it's a bad luck. It's bad luck for a guy to dump a woman or a lady because you approached me. You the one ohambe wayesibayeni saka baba wami. So you don't want that to ukuthi isale kuwena. So you rather do izinto ezisnacks so that ibe yimini engizokulahla so that wena ungazusala ne-guilt.
Oh, yabona siswami leyo ne personally I was always taught ukuthi into mangana insight ngayo too much don't ungaphenduli ngayo as much so that ungalahlekisa abantu. Leyo ngiyaqala ukuyizwa ngawe. Yani uyaqala ukunginika yona leyo. I never looked at it that way, but there's something to ponder.
That is angisho kuye kusho ungena esibayeni sasekhaya. So I think it goes with that. So going back Lindaba ukuthi you come into other people's lives and then you demolish them. You dented something.
It's what people call karma.